Imagine Nokia bringing back the Lumia name with a true flagship contender. The hypothetical Nokia Lumia 200 would be an absolute powerhouse in 2026, blending cutting-edge hardware with the brand's storied design legacy. At its core, the Lumia 200 would be driven by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, delivering elite performance for everything from heavy multitasking and advanced AI features to console-level mobile gaming, all while maintaining excellent efficiency. The camera system would shake up the industry with a 400MP main sensor, capturing incredibly detailed photos and pro-grade video with superb dynamic range and clarity, positioning Nokia as a serious contender in smartphone photography. Powering this beast would be a colossal 10,000 mAh battery, offering staggering endurance that could easily cover multiple days of intensive use without charging, making battery anxiety a thing of the past. Wrapped in a premium and modern design with a lush high refresh rate display and next-generation connectivity, the Lumia 200 would redefine what a flagship phone can be, combining extreme power, insane battery life, and a camera experience that rivals any flagship on the market. If Nokia built this, it wouldn't just retake the crown, it would flip the game entirely.